This is the strongest and biggest hand truck that I could find. I bought it about 5 years ago and have used it pretty often since then. They call it the Mega Mover, and for a good reason. It's rated to 550 pounds. That's way more than those little cheap, flimsy hand trucks that most people have. I've only ever used it to probably about between 300 and 400 pounds because, I mean, even if it can lift and carry 550 pounds, that is a lot of weight to move around. Here's a good example where I'm using it to move something that's about 144 pounds. And the nicest aspect of this hand truck is really the giant aluminum platform. I mean, it's so big, it's really wide, it's even wider than like your standard hand truck, and it allows you to carry things that are much larger and a little bit flimsier. Here I mess up and kind of roll it to the side, but I mean, I'm carrying it off-road. Those big 8-inch pneumatic tires, they allow it to really roll easily on any surface, even on the grass and the ground, which was relatively soft in some places. So carried this container with no problem. Here I show how little space it takes up in something like a minivan. It could even fit easily into a car trunk. I mean, you lay it flat and it takes up like no space. You can pile stuff on top of it. You can put it on the side like this, strap it to the side, and look how narrow it is. It just takes up a few inches of space in there. So really easy to carry with you. Another thing I use it for is when I need to move the swing out bike rack off of my van and into the garage. It really helps carry that because it's an unwieldy bike rack. The aluminum load plate is thick and strong and tapers towards the end. You can see it's probably a cast plate and has a lot of reinforcements. And like I said, I like how wide it is. These pivots and stuff and everything are really strongly made. There's a lot of plastic, but it's very thick and it's been durable. It comes with a bungee and some slots to adjust the bungee. I find the bungee to be useful for small and lightweight objects, but for anything heavy, I use like a ratchet strap and just tie the ratchet strap around and tighten it to securely attach the object to the hand truck. Here you see how little space it takes when I store it. This is where I keep it when I'm not using it. It's great.